Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How are you doing, guys? So, this is an introduction video which I tried to refresh. The last one was 3 years ago, believe it or not. Yeah, so quite a bit of time. So, first foremost, what we do here is a YouTube channel, part of business called Inte.Team. Inte stands for integrity. And in Inte.Team, we've got two teams of people. One part is electronics repairs, which this YouTube channel focuses on. And then second is web development, which till now I haven't opened second YouTube channel, and I should, and I plan to do it within the next months. So I try to do the least of the web development stuff on our apps which we've created, and people can rent them, like for repairs businesses, service businesses, all customer journey, product journey or service journey solutions, web solutions and websites. Yes, so I try to not stick with this for too much here. And I plan to go completely almost off from here. So what this YouTube channel is, till 1,000 customers now, because on the day of the recording we've got 997 recordings, was different than it will be from now on. I try to go into the professional video editing. I'm speaking with one person just now. There is a hope in this madness, so hopefully we'll have professional video editing soon. I plan to add a second camera so I can record here as well. But the main goal is not to copy other YouTube channels which do electronics repairs. It's more of a trying to find those unique things. So if you look at me soldering, you look at any other business out there or YouTube channel which does it, yes? Whereas if we have different issues, like we had this iPhone here, yes, which works now for, and now it doesn't work. So, yay. Great, awesome. Which button it is? The button has went off. Okay, it is. So 5 hours and 36 minutes. Yes, this phone came with one missing wire. We don't have those often, yes, but we do have them. So those weird cases I'd rather show you because you won't find it elsewhere on YouTube, most likely. Yes. So I try to record videos about how we found the problem and what is the problem, and then tell you about it. Then sometimes the diagnosis, yes. I would like to add more of the diagnosing as well. What else? Yes, so what do we actually fix? We fix pretty much all household electronics, apart from like white appliances. We do PCBs, just PCBs, you know, like this one is from the soundbar, power supply, and here we know there's no communication, so UART won't show you anything. So this is pretty much processor issue, and I need to finish that diagnose. And like more advanced stuff, yes. I would like to add following the schematics, when you can find schematics, or board view as well to those videos. And now what next? So how we work, yes, why trust us? On Google you can find Inte.Team in Livingston with over 300 5-star rated reviews. That's a lot of hard work, and believe me, there is still some level of unsatisfied customers, and they've got right to be unsatisfied. Why it's so? For instance, you might not know, but with phones it's not always worth fixing. If we fix phones, not always it becomes profit straight away. Sometimes you need to be willing to lose on the phones, yes, and the same for tablets. Not always, yes, not 100% of the time you can fix stuff. As long as you are being transparent with customers, you've got least friction. But if you try to be a bit, hiding things, you might end up in trouble. Sometimes we can not tell something just because we've forgotten. So I've created a system now where we can make less mistakes, yes, and we're trying to develop iterations of that system, yes. So what it is that TVs are profitable. You can profit from them. PC repairs, laptop repairs, game consoles repairs, game pads, yes, those are pretty much profitable businesses. Audio repairs, not always, not as much as the other ones. And phone repairs, yes, especially liquid damage. It's really not not fun, yes, but we try to push as much work as we can. Yes, the least months we've got up to 50 jobs, the most months we've got over 90. Yes, so depending on the month, yes, how busy the month is. Now, why we do it? Yes, I was trading currencies and commodities Forex, and I've quitted trading Forex. I do it, but more like a hobby. I don't do it like my main thing. My main thing is Inte.Team, and we fight for something called integracy. What integracy is, you can go on our website Inte.Team, which Inte stands for integrity, so first 4 letters from word integrity.team, and you can click on membership and read everything. There is even a song which you can click and listen to it. We try to introduce membership as well, which I don't want to go here because that would be too much, but all of it is on our website. You can go and you can read it, yes. But in general, we try to lower the e-waste, giving back to local communities and teaching next generations. Yes, that's pretty much what we're trying to do at Inte.Team. And we've got few drop-off points. So one is in Livingston, one is in Bathgate. All of them are listed on our website when you try to make booking, and one is in Edinburgh. Yes, and we try to grow to more places and cover whole county, then cover more than the county. Now, what you can expect from this YouTube channel? Yes, so well, we try to grow it, okay, because we are approaching just 3 subscribers are short on the time of recording of this video. We try to make this YouTube channel more professional. That's first foremost. We try to find where we are lack of. I had to replace camera. This microphone is not great, but it's better than it was in the previous generation we were using here, and I will be further working on it. I've got Scarlett from Focusrite, and I need to match the microphone to it, and I try to do everything more professional. The problem is only that lack of time. We've got quite a bit of repairs and commercial contracts with businesses as well, so it's quite challenging to do everything here and the right way, and then be transparent with customers. The problem is when you work alone behind the scenes, it can be overwhelming at times. So if somebody is like, do it quickly, no, go to our competition, I don't mind. We're not manufacturer production line that everything, all the processes are perfect. No, we do have certain things which we work on still improving. But as you see, over 300 5-star rated reviews, that tells you something. Over 600 videos here on YouTube, yes? So we are transparent as much as we can. We improving as much as we can. And we will be improving on this YouTube channel as well in the next year. The main thing is that I want to have, like now, I've written what I would like to tell you, yes? And I wanted to have it underneath 10 minutes. So we're almost there. Yes, we're almost there. Now, what you can expect in more detail. I will try to continue with professional videos about tools we're using, diagnoses we're making, and make them so that it's more pleasant to watch. Less yes, more of a short text, later cut it, merge together as one video if I can find a person to help me editing videos. I would be open to have any other suggestions. I've heard that the audio was really bad, so I went and I bought this camera with this microphone. I've learned to use it, to be true. Now it's not losing the focus, yes, and other stuff. But there is still room for improvement, and I'm all ears. If you think there is more value elsewhere, I only watch the scores how you watch the videos. I see that certain videos which I would say they are, you know, they are for sure winners, they lose, they don't have views, yes. And I would say there's more value for the end user, yet they are not watched. So I need to watch on those videos which are watched and record more of a content you would be willing to watch. Even though you've got less value from it, it's still the way to go. Yes, guys, so thank you for watching, thank you for being a part of Inte.Team, and let's, if possible, let's fix them all. That's what I meant to say, yes. Thank you. Bye-bye.